Hi, I'll show you how to fold an origami pen out of a dollar bill. This is a creative graduation gift idea that anyone can easily fold with me in just 3 minutes. So lay your dollar in front of you like this, and then fold the long edge onto the long edge. To make sure that your cash gift turns out really beautiful at the end, always tighten all the folded edges with your fingernails. Now we unfold this. We just needed it to create a guideline in the middle. And to our newly created guideline, we now fold this corner of the dollar bill so that we get a triangle. If I ever explain too fast or too slow for you, you can always change the playback speed by clicking on the gear icon of the YouTube player. And now we repeat the same folding on the other side to create the tip of the pen. Next, we fold this edge of our first triangle to the center line to make the tip of the pen even more pointed. And as you've already guessed, we repeat the same folding on the other side. Now only 4 very simple folds are missing, and then our pen will be done. Please write me in the comments for whom and what occasion you're folding this cash gift for. Thanks. The next folding step defines the length of the pen. I quickly want you to show what I'm aiming for. This unprinted part is intended to represent the lead of the pen, and I want to make sure that the word 1 is fully readable, but you can define your own length if you want to. So now we fold this part of the dollar where we wish our pen to end. After that, we just need to adjust the width of the pen. Let me take a quick look on the other side to see if everything worked out well. Yes, it did. And for the width, I want the pen to end under and over the word 1. But you can define your own width if you want to. So now I fold this part up to just below where the word 1 begins, and you fold it however you choose. If you like tutorials like this without personal chatter and music, then please tell YouTube by giving it a thumbs up. I'll take another quick look to check if the folding is where I want it to be. Perfect. And now I'll make the same fold over the word 1. Depending on the width you choose, this may be the last fold or the second last fold. I'll need to do one more to hide the overlapping part of the dollar. But at the latest, then, we quickly and easily folded a pen out of a dollar bill as a cash gift. Congratulations, and have fun giving it as a gift. The word 1 is perfectly readable as planned, and as I said, I have to fold one more time to hide the overlapping part. If possible, press the pen overnight flat with a heavy book. And if you are interested in more cash gift ideas and origami instructions, feel free to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. See you next time on Folding with Yvonne.